The first step to create a WordPress multi-tier website or application on AWS, we need to create a AWS account. If you are new to AWS, you can use a free tier services and you can create account freely. It will take a couple of minutes and you need to have a valid email ID as well as a valid payment method. So let's get started. First, head on to aws.amazon.com and click on this create an AWS account. So it will ask for a couple of information which we need to give. So email address, I created one email address for the creation of this account. So make sure you have a unique email ID which you never used previously to create any AWS account, or it should not be associated with any AWS account. So I have created this one email ID, cloud@dconcloud.com. So I'm entering my super secure password. As it is giving a hint, it need to be alphanumeric and you can use some symbol. So this account will be your root account, so make sure you really use a secure password for this, because if your root password got leaked, it will be very dangerous, because you are going to put your personal information as well as the payment information. And for the account name, you can use any name, whatever you want. I'm going to use DC WordPress. So click on continue. Then it will ask for some more information, whether this account belong to personal or professional. I'm going to choose it for personal. You can put your information, and in the next step we need to put the payment method. Let me complete those steps, and when it asks for verification, I will get back to you with that information. So this is a step where it will ask for message or call. I'm going to choose for call. So you need to put your valid number. Let me add and I will get back to you. So I entered my number and waiting for a call from AWS, and I got a call from AWS on my cell. Let me pick that call and see what I need to enter.
Hello, this is an automated call from Amazon Services. Using your touchpad on your phone, please enter the 4-digit PIN number that was displayed on your screen.
So I'm entering this 4100 on my mobile as it got requested from that call.
We have successfully verified your PIN. Please return to Amazon Web Services to complete your registration. Thank you for your interest in Amazon Web Services.
So I'm dropping this call as I verified this. So I'm going to click on continue, and I am not going to choose for any paid plan. So I will stick with this basic plan. So click on this free button, and I believe yes, our account creation is successful. Within few minutes we will receive a mail, a welcome mail, and we will be able to sign in. But wait for a couple of minutes, or let's say maybe an hour or two, so that account will get fully activated, because when you first time open the account, you will not be able to use the services due to the limitations on the region, on the resources. So wait for a couple of hours, you will be good to go. So let's try just to open it for the first time. So I just click on sign into the console, and I see whether it will ask for the login information or it will be redirecting me directly to the portal. It is asking for the login information. Let me quickly log in using my email ID and my super secret password. Hope I remember and I'm entering it correctly. That happened always with me. I always forgot my password. I don't think, yeah, fine. Okay, so by default it picked Ohio region. So let's see, our account is created, and in the next step we will choose region. I will choose the Singapore region as I am in Singapore and that is closest to me. So we will create our VPC and all the other services one by one. So once you ready with this step, feel free to take a break. Meanwhile the account will activate and I will see you in the another video. Please feel free to subscribe, share and put your comments, and thank you.